professional air duct cleaning from Stanley Steemer is the first step towards better indoor air quality. Installing Restore, our carbon catalyst air purifier, ensures that you have the healthiest indoor air. According to the EPA, indoor air is often 5 times more polluted than outdoor air. There are 3 types of indoor air pollution: biological, chemical, and particulates. Your furnace's air filter only captures particulates. That leaves the other 2 untreated. Biological contaminants include mold, bacteria, and viruses. Chemical contaminants, called VOCs, cause odors and are potentially toxic. Restore handles all 3 types, giving you a complete air treatment. Our air purifier works continuously with your HVAC system, where it purifies all the air in your home or office. As the air is circulated, contaminants are treated by our carbon catalyst system. UVC light energizes the carbon cells which capture and neutralize odor-causing VOCs. What remains? Harmless water vapor and carbon dioxide, which are released back into the air. Mold, bacteria, and viruses are sterilized by the UVC light, which destroys their DNA, preventing them from reproducing. Carbon catalyst cells are self-cleaning, and the system is virtually maintenance-free. It's safe, effective, and produces no harmful ozone. For the healthiest indoor air, choose Restore from Stanley Steemer.